complete trash. Hey folks, welcome to the channel. New gas cans are absolute junk. So we're gonna fix it here today on the channel. So we're gonna fix this jug using this easy pour spout I picked up at my local home improvement store. You can find these things on Amazon, Home Depot, Menards, Lowe's. They are all over the place. They're really a universal kit to fix these things. I'm not gonna get overly into detail about this specific model because there's all sorts of different flavors of these anti-gas pouring devices. But this specific one has some weird safety stuff in it, and yeah, it's a pain to use. So we're gonna pretend like this didn't come with the gas can and install the one I bought here. Now this specific style can fit many different types of water cans, gas cans, kerosene cans, diesel cans, whatever. But the moral of the story is you don't have to do much. You can leave the flame arrestor inside the jug. There are some people who just modify what you have here, but I just think it takes way too long for it to breathe and fill up. To install the actual spout, it's not a big deal at all. Decide if you want to use the black or the yellow ring. Slide it onto here. Add your little retention strap to the cap. I find that a pair of needle noses works better for this. You can grip it a little easier. Kind of grip it tight to the end there. Push it through the opening. Or if you got mega fingers, you can probably just hold it yourself. And we're gonna wrap it around the actual spout. If you choose it, you don't have to use this, it's optional. Push it past this little detents here, which keep it from slipping back and ultimately loosen the cap, right? Then we'll jam it through the cap that closes the end of the actual spout here. Just like so. So we have that tied to it. And it's simple, just screw it on here. You've gotten rid of 90% of your headache already. But by doing this, we gotta add some ventilation to the can so she can breathe. And that's where this piece of the kit comes into play. We're gonna put it back here on the back. I'm gonna go just offset from this parting line here, just for the fact of that'll be my luck, it splits down that if I drill there. We're gonna use a Christmas tree bit, and you can use a regular 1/2-inch bit, whatever. I like this because it gets the hole the right size and it puts a nice chamfer on it. We're gonna make a 1/2-inch hole on the back of the can. We're gonna go down to 1/2 inch, which on this step drill is right here. It's at 7/16, and we keep going up to 1/2 inch. All right, we are at 1/2 inch. Just give her a little tap to get the rest of the way in. She's tight. All right, so now we've got that in. We have a nice vent hole here on the back. So we can get gas out of this thing faster than, 1 gallon per hour. All right. Now that's how easy it is to fix the gas can and to avoid all the headaches of those new Safety Sally cans. So let's go show you the difference on how fast this does fill up. Hey, and I will put affiliate links down below to this stuff. Just keep in mind I make a small bit of commission off these things, typically 3 to 4%. It costs you guys nothing else when you're doing your checkout, and it's a great way to support the channel. So thank you in advance. Let's add some fuel to the old mower here. So today, if I were to use my current gas can, I have to either rest this onto here and let it pour out fuel itself, which I don't love to do, and you can hear it already taking 75 days to fill, or I have to hold it and pull it open like that, which I don't love. And again, the gas can starts having a hard time breathing right away. And honestly, in this situation, it's not a huge deal on this mower, but on my where the fuel tanks are up higher, it really sucks. Again, just to show you, basically it's a multi-step process. You have to hold it and wait. All right, so we take the new one, nozzle protector off so we don't get any garbage down it, pop the back vent, send the old tube in there, and just like the days of old, we're pouring gas, and she's emptying fast. So I can quickly transfer 4 gallons of fuel to this jug, from this jug to the mower. Way better. And just like that, she is full. Put the cat back on, close the vent, and we're on with life. So in quick fashion, you can go from a really crappy gas can to a gas can that pours again. Get you one of them spouts and save yourself some time and hassle. All right, stay safe out there, folks.